Hello everyone. I normally don't recommend to buy ramen noodles packs from stores as they are generally not a healthy type of food we should eat every day. But occasionally, making ramen noodles at home can quickly feed us in a busy schedule, especially for college students who have classes to attend, homework to finish, and a part-time job. Cooking ramen noodle can save a lot of time. The key is how to make a ramen noodle more nutritional and tasty with 5 minutes to afford. Now, I'm going to show you how. We are using a Korean ramen noodle package and adding some other ingredients such as spam meat, organic eggs, spring grain mix, and olive oil. You can replace spam meat with any other proteins such as beef, ham, chicken, pork, or even fish and seafood that you cooked previously. For one package of ramen noodle with all the additional ingredients, you can make a 5-minute meal for 2 persons. First, we bring water to boil. If you like to drink tasty hot soup, you can add more water. You can also replace a part of water with the chicken or beef stock. While waiting for water to boil, beat up 2 eggs in a bowl. When water becomes boiling, add in ramen and spices coming with the package. Now add in spam meat pieces and the grain mix. Then add in olive oil. Now swirl in eggs as you continue to beat up. Stir gently so all ingredients will mix up together. Now you're done, and enjoy a quick ramen with plenty of protein and green leaves. Please let me know how you like this recipe, and thanks for watching the cookbook.